Side of the vehicle. Another one. Matt, Justin signed up. The ebook is on sale for $18.50 on my website, but if you sign up as a tier 1 patron, you get entered into the giveaway and my ebook, so it's actually even further discounted with a chance of winning gear. Anyways, we're going to go right here. We got side of the vehicle right there. So that is going to make you understand that it's an intersection, right? Possible path of travel violation. But guess what? He's already orange staged, prepped and ready. Yeah. Prepped and ready, baby. So orange stage already removed. He already perceived that there's a possible threat. He reacted and removed any reaction time. And now he gets to slow down and stop. It is a Harley. It's crazy, huh? That's all you have to do. Just slow down and kind of wait, because this person's going to go. Now, yeah, it's upsetting because now I have to slow down. You took my path to travel. I have to slow down for you. I shouldn't have to slow down for you. I should just be able to go like I'm supposed to. Ugh. Guys, we're on a freaking motorcycle. We're on a motorcycle. This dude's in a crossover. Who's having more fun? Doesn't matter if you have a little inconvenience. They're still having a better day than this person probably. So that's what you should be thinking about. Hey, as soon as this person gets going, as soon as they get going like this, I'm going to let them take off, and I'm going to get some good speed and get to the speed limit as quick as I can because it's a lot of fun, but stay the speed limit. Go on with my day. Yep. And if you're over here sitting, listening to music on your Rockform mount, not the RAM mount, guys, don't get that. Get the Rockform mount, okay? Use the link in the description for 25% off, okay? Go ahead, change that out. Change that out.